fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I'm pretty excited for this video because I recently purchased the Colourpop Lux Gloss set and I wanted to go ahead and test these out and give you guys my opinion on them. So I have been testing them for the last 2 or 3 weeks ever since I received them in the mail. So they do sell these all individually. I believe that they are available for $8 each, or you can buy the entire set of, what is here, 3, 6, 8 shades for $52. They have a net weight of 4.6 grams and they are more of like the cute little chunky packaging, which I really enjoy. That's probably part of the reason why I was intrigued to purchase them and try them out, just because I love the packaging so much. So in today's video, it's going to be pretty quick and to the point. I'm just going to tell you my thoughts on the glosses and then we'll jump into some lip swatches. So whenever I first tried these on, I was kind of disappointed because they're definitely a little bit more of a sticky formula, but they're not bad. They're not overly sticky to the point where it's annoying or frustrating. They're just like just a little bit of stick, so that can actually be really good because it makes them a little bit more long wearing. I feel like they last like a good 2-3 hours on my lips depending on whether I'm eating or not, which most of the time I'm eating, so maybe they don't even last that long majority of the time, but I do like the wear time, and it's kind of made me rethink glosses a little bit because I'm always like, I don't like sticky gloss, but I do appreciate the wear time on these, and I am happy with them overall after using them for longer and getting to give them a chance, because my first initial reaction was like, oh no, I don't like these. I can't believe I just bought the whole set. Like, was that stupid? But I do like them. I feel like they are all a little bit more sheer. Some of them are super sheer, like the ones that have a little bit more like shimmer to them. Like, for example, this pink right here, I can't remember the name off the top of my head, is super sheer, but I feel like all of them, whenever I first apply them, they look really opaque, but they end up kind of conforming to my lips and just adding, it's like my lip color plus a little peach, or my lip color plus a little pink, my lip color plus a little mauve. I do have pretty pigmented lips overall, so I feel like that could definitely change how much the pigmentation of the lip glosses show up, because if you have less pigmented lips, they might show up more for you. But overall, I do like them. They're not like my absolute favorite gloss formula ever, but I have been reaching for them a lot. I feel like they look pretty nice and glossy on the lips. Sometimes I get a little bit of the white ring if I don't exfoliate my lips first, or if I don't make sure that all the dead skin is gone. So they're not my ideal gloss for winter time when my lips are at their most dry. I think if you're making a Colourpop order and just want to try one and see how you like it, I don't think you'll regret it. It's not a terrible formula. I would say that it's decent, and I think I like the original Colourpop formula a little bit more. I like those glosses. I love Moonchild. That's like my all-time favorite. But I do like how these wear, so it's just depending on, do you want a little bit more stickiness? So like I said, I really love the packaging. I love it's a little bit of a bigger applicator, so I enjoy them. That's my thoughts. I would give them like a B+. I'm okay with the fact that I bought them. I don't regret it, but not my absolute favorite purchase. So now let's go ahead and jump on into the lip swatches. So that's everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.